Hello, it's time for another tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how to set up an Xbox controller with Windows. This only works on Windows, by the way. For Minecraft to make the controllers work. This is the closest one there is to an actual Xbox. It can't be perfect, of course, but yeah, this is the closest one there is. So what we need is this software called Joy2Key. I'll show you how to get that. So it's very easy. Also sub to Mumbo. We are going to go to a website known as Joy2Key. I'll just put a link to it in the description, but you can easily just Google it up. And you'll go straight there. So, as you can see, controller to keyboard. So this is a very annoying website, I must say, so it's kind of not that good, so it's not much of a looker. So we just go to download, scroll down, Joy2Key installer, from this one. We're gonna click on this one. Should pop up with a window. I'll just save it here. Wait for this to finish up and go to our File Explorer. I already have one of these things. You won't be able to see anything there, but that was just a license agreement. So here we have our installer. It's not that hard to do. It's pretty easy. I accept the agreement. Next. Tick create a desktop shortcut. It may be unchecked, but you'll want that. So everything looks good. Let's press install. I won't, obviously, because I already have the app. So you will press install and then press finish. But I'm just gonna close it. After it's done, you can delete the installer. I like to just keep my storage clean, organized. It's the way I roll. And then, so now we should have the Joy2Key. Let's just open that up. And this should be what it looks like. Hopefully it's not too different. Everything will say none. Nothing will be working. We're gonna have to go to create. Let's call it Minecraft. Okay. We can also delete this one. We don't need it. So now we have Minecraft. What? Yeah, okay. Let's go to... So now we're gonna go... So now we need to close Joy2Key, and you'll notice if we press the X button, it doesn't work because this software sucks. Should still use it. So if it's not in here, this bar here, you'll have to press the arrow and then go to this, right-click on it, terminate Joy2Key, and then it will delete the app permanently from your computer. And then we'll go to Documents, Joy2Key. And as you can see, we'll have a Minecraft document. We're gonna open this up. Wait, hang on. Just open it up with, if you get this window, open it up with Notepad. I have Notepad++, so I'm gonna be using that. But if you don't have that, just open it with regular Notepad. It'll work just fine. So we're gonna delete all this. And then we're going to go to this website in the description. And then there's going to be some text here. We're going to copy all of this. Control-C. And then go into here. Control-V. And it'll copy all the text into the file. And then you'll press Control S to save the document, and close that up. And now we can open up Joy2Key again. And now we will have all of this data now filled in for us. And as you can see, if you plug in your controller, you will find that if you just go around and move everything around, you can actually use it. So you'll use the look around thing to move your mouse as I'm doing right now. And it's one of the click things, one of these triggers, the right trigger to click to open a software, I believe. Yeah, okay. I haven't used a controller in a while. So this should just set up everything for you. It's a fairly easy process, and because Joy2Key is a bit of a difficult and fidgety software. I mean, we're looking at this, huh? So once you just got that set up, we can just easily open up Minecraft. There we go. As you can see, my laptop is just so beefy. We can record with high FPS, and I've completely skipped all launching process, and I've launched Minecraft immediately. So, if you've played on an Xbox before, this should be everything normal. If you didn't know, use one of these joysticks to move around, the other to walk. You can use the A button to jump, B to throw. I believe X is inventory. Y is shift. That's a difference with Xbox. You have to press Y. Between Xbox, you have to press Y. Because you can't toggle, unless you turn on toggle shift. I believe that's an option. In which case, you can always change that to to the press down on the joystick if you want to do that. I use the side button things to move around in your inventory. You use the triggers to either break something or and use the other to place, so that kind of thing. Use the 3 dashes button to open the pause menu. The other one to take a screenshot. I don't want to take a screenshot, but yeah, you know. We have so the cross button. The top one is F5. So if we just press that, that's another difference. Bottom one is full screen. The side one here is F3. And this other one here is F1. That's pretty much everything. Oh yeah. Couple things to note about inventory. In Xbox, you do press A to pick something up. That is not the case, as you can see. You click. Oh wait, no, you can't see. You use the trigger button instead of A. To run it. Oh, don't got it. Just broke the door. I'm not used to playing on Xbox. I don't do it that often. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. It was a huge pain in the backside to look this stuff up. I hope you really liked my house. It looks even better on the outside, as you can obviously see. And I don't have an outro, so I'm just gonna end it. I just realized that when I launched Minecraft, my computer was so potato that it was just literally a couple pictures in a slideshow. I just want to say that was definitely 100% intentional, and that was definitely all part of the joke. For sure, yeah.